Ei Whitsunday in Huntly Town, it's there I did agree. With Bogie side O'Kearney is 6 months for to fee. To drive his 2 best horses, likewise his curtain plough, and to do a thing about the farm that richt well I could do. Now Bogie had a doctor whose name was Isabel. The flew o'er her nation, there's none her could excel. She had rosy cheeks and ruby lips and hair